What if I told you that discipline could be the key to unlocking your dreams? Meet Sarah and James. Sarah struggled with fitness and self-doubt, but one day she made a decision. She committed to a daily exercise routine. The early days were tough, filled with sweat and sore muscles, yet her perseverance turned a simple routine into a lifestyle. And guess what? Sarah ran her first marathon, proving that discipline transforms dreams into reality. Now let's talk about James. Facing financial instability, he chose to take control. Through disciplined budgeting and saving, James not only stabilized his finances, but also bought his first home. His journey wasn't easy, but his commitment made it possible. These stories show that strength is forged in moments of struggle. Each disciplined action, no matter how small, builds resilience. Believe in your ability to overcome obstacles. Let your unwavering commitment guide you through every trial. Your journey to greatness begins with the choice to be relentless. Discover the extraordinary power within you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.